So hello guys. So nag modified tayo dito guys ng bearing guys. So hindi na tayo gumamit ng stick bearing guys. So yung pivot pin lang guys yung gagamitin natin. So yung bearing na gamit natin guys is 6002. So pinagawa ko sa machine shop guys. Yan, kabilaan to guys. Yan. Yan. So mas maganda na to guys kaysa yung sa original nya guys na stick bearing. So ball bearing na ang gamit dito guys 6002. So ang paggawa dito guys is nasa 2100. So dalawang piraso to guys.